Hi, it's Sarah here from Crafting and Stamping, and I'm here today with just a little sneak peek of what's coming up in August through to 30th of September. We've got a second Sale-a-bration, and this is great. This is going to be giving us a chance to get extra freebies when we spend with Stampin' Up. So I'm just showing you some of the things that I've got in my first pre-order. One of the advantages of being a Stampin' Up demonstrator is that we get to pre-order these things, and we actually got to get our Sale-a-bration freebies a month in advance as well. So I pre-ordered these, but I haven't needed to pay for the items. They have been free with purchase for me as well, so it's great. So one of the first things that I've got is my copies of the Sale-a-bration brochure. Now I can't show you the inside of these at the moment, but these are going to be going out to anybody that's purchased from me in the last 6 months. So what I can show you is some of what I've got inside of these. So the first one is this gorgeous paper. This is a specialty paper in a 6x6 design, and you get, what do we get? We get 8 sheets of these. So it's one-sided, and it's a very chunky, glittery, almost snake skin glitter on these. That is absolutely gorgeous. So that is one of the items that you will be able to get with a spend, a £45 spend from next month. The next paper that I've got is this one. We're going to open it up, and this is the beautifully penned. And the great thing about this is that it's going to go with all of the different hand penned items that we've already got in the main catalogue. So let me open this up and show it to you. So these are 12 by 12 papers, and you're going to get 4 each of 3 different designs, but of course they're double-sided. So we've got these designs on one side, and we've got other black and white designs on the other. And let me just show you how that then compares with our coloured ones. These are just some 6x6 sheets that I've got. They are 12 by 12 normally. So what you can see is we've got that one that goes with that. Now this design could go with that, it could possibly go with that, or it could go with several of the different coloured ones as well. The little sort of wavy designs that we've got here would go with that one. And if we flip them back over again, then again these black and white ones could go with a multitude of different designs. And we've got the stripes that I could guess would go with the mint macaron ones we've got there, and then these ones would go with that one. So you've got a 4-pack. This is going to be a free with £45 purchase. So that is a great one. And I would say, because we've got a sale on these papers this month, there's 15% off this design. You might want to purchase these this month and then wait and get these next month or even September. But they are going to be available while stocks last. So I just want to remind you that things don't always last. The next one we've got is this gorgeous set, the Penguin Playmates. These are so fun, they really are. And they're not just for Christmas, they are year round. So let me show you these. And we've got, let me just move the bottom sheet out of the way. So with this one again, 12 by 12 sheets, you would be able to hand cut these, fussy cut them out. They're great designs. So we've got little penguins, foxes and polar bears as a regular repeating design. We've got a few snowmen on that one, making it perhaps a little bit more Christmassy. And then on the other side, you've got some beautiful, just plain, what I think of as plain patterns that are great for mixing and matching with the busier designs that we've got here. But what I also want to show, so these are going to be one of the freebies, free with £45 purchase. But we've also got coming up, please see my other video, because we've got a great thing with the little penguins in the new Christmas catty. I'm calling it a Christmas catty, it's not just Christmas, but that's mainly what I'm getting it for. So other freebies that we've got another stamp set that is free with a £45 purchase. And then we start to move on to the rather more, the bigger bits, shall we say. Now, the next ones are free with a £90 purchase. And of course you can mix and match as you like. So, but what we've got for if you have a £90 purchase, possibly a £90 and a £45, you can get the sheep dies that matches the counting sheep. So let me show you these. And let's flip that over. There we go. So what you've got is the dies to cut out the various sheep. We've got all 3 sheep. We've got the little party hat as well. And then we've got a fence. We've got bits that can be used. These can be used either as clouds or you can use them as grass. A little banner and a little balloon. So absolutely fabulous. But this is a £90 purchase, free with a £90 purchase for the dies and £45 for the counting sheep. So another £90 purchase gives us the Delicate Dahlias photo polymer stamp set. So you've got the sort of solid look, there we go, and you've got the outline look. So you've got a choice with these. You can either stamp with the outline and colour it in, you can stamp just with the infill in a colour, or you can combine the two together. So that one is free with a £90 purchase. And my last one for today, I'm sure I'm going to be getting more. There's still a few more things that I've not got yet to be able to share with you. So they will be coming up in future. I know I'm going to be putting another order in. But this is another free with £90 purchase. And this is some dies, the Summer Shadows dies. And these will actually cut out ones from Shaded Summer, which is already available in the main catalogue. So if you've already got these, then these dies are great to have, because they're going to die cut out for you what you've got in here and give you extra flowers besides. So you'll be able to die cut out what we've got. And like I say, we've got layering dies here. You can put together a little solid shape with an outline one over the top, like we do with the poppies dies, layering up and with the leaves, and then there's just an extra little flower and leaves as well. So that is what I've got on my first haul. So these are the Sale-a-bration freebies. Like I say, these are going to be available from 3rd of August to the 30th of September. So this is just a little sneak peek to let you know what's coming up. please have a look at my other video to see what's coming up in the new mini catalogue. Thanks for stopping by.